Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I am going to Tanghulu. Maybe all blue. I don't even have any blue fruits. Sorry about that. Let's start making our mix. Oh, mushroom. I would like to buy this, please. I love peach apple fruit. One of the best fruits ever for me. Of course, it doesn't have to be. Hey, I skipped the other part because I screen recorded on the airplane. So I'm gonna tell them something. Hi, I'm starting a YouTube channel. Why does a comment ask, can I pinch your cheeks? No. My cheeks are very precious to me. I want you to say hi to your friends.